Hello everyone, today is 30 September 2021. My name is Rameshwar Narayan Balerao. Today's our topic is a postman. The postman is work as a postman is a API. Means the postman is a work of a API. API means the uh, application programming interface. Means the API connect the two apps, two separate application. API make the connection of a two separate application and transfer the data one application to the another application and another application to one application. Means the share the data between between us and make the easier to the for application user to the execute the any action from the user without having the another another application GUI GUI using API that is a need make the different keep the execute exact the postman postman is a popular API. Postman is a popular API client because the Postman is a easy to use and it is a provide the many functionality to the user, and it is easy to create to the developer. easy Easy for developer to create test or uh, test or document to the API. This is the this is done this is done by allowing the user create and save the simple simple STF request, HTTP request. Then how to use the API? We can use the API using the URL. Means the we can type the local host ID IP address. Uh, the IP address we, in URL section we can write the IP address. IP address is a local, means the we can also write the local host, and local host colon method significant and next is a method significant forward slash sorry local host double colon uh, IP address of a Spring Tool is a 8080 and colon forward slash method significance. That means the method significance means the method we can write this REST mapping using the REST mapping. REST mapping is a colon REST mapping is a REST, REST mapping is a annotation. We can provide the annotation of the REST mapping annotation to the method to verify to the server to the what method is which method is calling, and we can also pass the value or pass the value to the method using the URL, and we can also pass the value using the URL from postman to the server side, and we can also pass the object of the object of the any class, uh, through the postman through the we can also pass the variable using the object or object class using the block through the postman through the server side. And we can we can also fill the value using the path variable. We can receive the variable value in the method from the passed through the postman with the annotation of the path variable. We can provide the path. We can create the path and receive the path variable using the path variable annotations. And the host and that's it all about the postman and how to work the postman. Thank you.